Have you ever added all your trip details but noticed that important information like group size or transport is not clearly shown on your trip page? You are not alone. In this video, I will show you exactly how to display trip info on your trips using WP Travel Engine so your visitors can quickly understand your tour and feel ready to book. First, let me quickly guide you to where you need to go. Go to WP Travel Engine, then Settings, and open Trip Settings. Now, click on the Trip Info tab. Here you can see all the available trip fact fields that can be displayed on your trip page. Each field has a name, an icon, a type, and a placeholder. You can customize any of these to match your needs. You will also notice a toggle switch at the end of each row. This allows you to quickly enable or disable a trip fact without deleting it. If you want to hide a fact temporarily from your trip page, simply turn the toggle off. Now, let's add a new one. Click on the Add Info button at the bottom. You will see a new row appear with 4 fields to fill in. First, enter the name. I am going to type transportation. Next, click on the icon dropdown and choose an appropriate icon. I am selecting the bus icon for transportation. Then, click on the input type dropdown, where you can see the available options. Since transportation is a simple text value, I am going to select text. Finally, add a placeholder in the last field. I am entering bus taxi as an example so travelers know what to expect. Once you are done, click Save Settings. You can add as many custom fields as you like in the same way. Just click Add Info again and fill in the details. Once saved, all these fields will now be available for you to use while creating your trips. Now that we have added our trip facts, before we head to the trip editor, let's make sure trip info is actually set to display on your trip page. Under the Display section, click on Single Trip. Scroll down until you see the Show Trip Info option and make sure this toggle is turned on. Once enabled, you will notice 2 sub-options appear: Show Trip Infos on Sidebar and Show Trip Infos on Main Content Area. Depending on your layout preference, you can choose where you want it to appear. For this tutorial, I have Show Trip Infos on Main Content Area enabled. Once you are happy with your selection, click Save Settings. Now let's head over to the trip and add these facts to it. From your WordPress dashboard, head over to the Trips section and open any trip you want to edit. This will take you to the trip editor where all your trip settings are available. Now, inside the editor, look for the Overview and Info section in the left menu, then switch to the Trip Info tab. This is the exact place where you control what key details appear on your single trip page. Give a title to this Trip Info section, and next, let's look at Trip Info Selection. This is where you add key facts about your trip, like transportation, accommodation type, group size, and more. Click on the Select Trip Fact dropdown, and you will now see transportation available along with all the other fields. Select transportation, then click Add Facts, and fill in the value. Repeat this for as many facts as you'd like to show on your trip page. Now, let's save and preview how it looks in the front end. As you can see, these trip facts are neatly displayed, making it easy for travelers to quickly understand the key details of your tour. And that is how you display trip info on your single trip page using WP Travel Engine. If you have any questions or need more detailed help, our documentation is a great resource. And of course, our support team is always ready to assist. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we wish you happy planning and successful bookings.